Okay, let's start our tutorial today. Let's open the Microsoft Word. Here is some of the template we can choose. So you want to create a resume, calendar view, cover for business. You have all this, card, flyer, holiday, personal, education, or letter. So in my case, you create a blank document. Then we remove the navigation bar. Here we can zoom in to zoom out to fix it, depend on your screen size. And then we can type something. If we highlight this line, we have the pop-up property. We can choose the bold, italic, underline, or change the color, the background, the text, add the bullet, the size, or we can choose from the top menu here. We get all this. And we can change the text style, highlight it. We can see all this. We also can insert the picture, the shape, all this shape we can choose. We can add the text inside the shape. And we can put the arrow. We also can change the color of the arrow. We have all these available sheet can choose. And we also can insert the table. We can customize here. How many row and column you want. We also can delete the unnecessary row or column. Highlight it, select, delete the column. So we also can insert the chart, screenshot, the header, footer, page number, the word art, for example. After we have done it, we just go to File, Save As. You can log into OneDrive or save to computer. my case, I just save to the desktop. My document, save. So it will appear here. That's all for our tutorial today. Thank you for watching.